everyone. I wanted to give you a brief introduction to the course and how to log on to the website. So you will see I've got my WebCT Vista course login page on the screen here. So you just need to go to this URL, the elearning.ubc.ca site, and you will be prompted to enter your CWL login name, which I will do, and my password, and click on continue. And once the login is accepted, you will see that you get to this what's called a dashboard page, and your dashboard page is called My Vista, and you can see a number of things on here. There's a calendar section, there's a to-do list, my grades. All of that for me right now is empty, and you may find that you don't use those things very often, which is fine. On the right hand side there are a few links, announcements, that kind of thing that you may want to take note of throughout the term. And then this is the important bit, the course list, and these are all the links to the various courses that you are registered for in this term. And you'll see I've got other links on here. These are the courses that I taught in a previous term, but the one that's most important to us right now is the LIBE 461 course link. So if you click on that, you will open up our course site, and the course site is where most of our work will happen for this class. And you see that I've got a number of different tabs across the top. You will only have one. Yours will say Student View, and that will be the only access you have to the course. So I'm going to click on my student view so that I'm looking at exactly what you are looking at. The menu bar along the side here, the left hand side, the course tools section, that is what will be of primary importance to you because this is how you access most of the course material. The course content button is highlighted. That is what you see on this main page. Oops, sorry, I've got other things popping up here. You want to take a look at the general information. This is some general information about UBC and about the LIBE program. You'll want to take a very close look at the introduction section, and I will click on that right now just to give you a sense of what's there. It gives you a welcome and introduction to the course. It outlines the course objectives, which you will have seen on the course outline, which is available on the LIBE course website. Gives you information about the textbook, the assignments, how the assignments will be graded, and how to contact me. And that's all listed there. The email address that is listed on the introduction and welcome page right here is how you will get in touch with me to submit your assignments and that kind of thing. But most of our work will be taking place on the discussion site. If you click back, you never want to use your back button with Vista. You always want to use the tabs either on the left hand side here or at the very top. The course modules, which is the actual course content, the class notes, the discussion topics, that kind of thing are all here, and the modules are all listed one right after the other. They're all accessible for you to take a look at right now, but we will be going through them in a particular order and at a particular time. You'll want to take a look at the course schedule, and I will point that out in a moment, but you can take a look through and see what the modules look like. So if you click on Module 1, which is where we will start obviously, you can use the navigation buttons on the left hand side here and go through each module at your own pace during the week that we are working on that. Make sure when you're looking at these modules you look at the very last section in each module, which is either called a summary or email me or something to that effect, because that lists the assignments for that week and the discussion topics. I'm going to stop the tutorial here for now, and then I will record another tutorial with some information about the discussions and how to access the discussions as a separate thing. Thanks everybody.